I just had a trade there. I was really focused on that trade. You can see here, that was close. I should have gotten right off here, and I was trying to get the 10 points, but I was really close. Maybe that was 8 points, but I just got the pullback, and most likely now it's going to come back down. It hit my thing there. So I just want to basically right here, that's around how many points? 6, 5.75, close to 6. So again, this is based on deviation levels as well as the legacy strategy, but more on the deviation levels. So I just want to see where I'm at right now in terms of my trading. I had some, you can see here, I started the pre-market as well. And this one, I probably got another, right. So here, 9:30, 9:20. So right here's the morning session. Still a little behind because I started off 661, right? Minus 661. So now I'm at 348. So I made some ground, right? Close to 300. So basically I hit my goal for the morning session, but I'll be looking at this. I'm gonna be looking at also the micros. Let me look at the micros. I'll leave ES for a while here. Just want to see if I can set up for a micros trade here. Let me see if I can pull out my micros here. Here we go. I'll get back to ES later. Just want to see what micros is doing right now. So you see this. So we have a, that's a basically, what is that? That's a, what you call a
order submitted. Order failed. Order submitted.
That's what you call a what? That's what you call a what's it called? Envelope, enveloping candle. Yeah, it's an engulfing candle. That's what I meant. Engulfing candle. So usually when you see this, that's usually an uptrade. So here, have 5 contracts, so we can get maybe what 100 some 4 times 40s, $160, and then if it hits up here, then that's great. So let me do this. We got down to -1. Let's see if we can get up there. That'd be another 160. So I'm copying this trade here to 2 accounts. So one is a evaluation account, one is my performance account or my live account or my quantity account, right? So hopefully, again, based on the engulfing candle here, we get our 20 points here. And basically, this is how I trade the MNQs. Again, based on not only the candle patterns, but also the deviation levels. So this went down here. Let's bring this up here. This is around 20. The second target is around 25 points. Okay. So maybe I want to bring it up to here. Let's see. What is it? 25. So we can get our 20 points here. That'd be a good Wow, that was unexpected right there. Very unexpected. Look at that. That just came all the way down from nowhere. Let me look at another bar here. Let's look at, that was so close and now it just came back down. And I should have known because of what? Of this, looking at the MACD. Here's another engulfing pattern going down. So let's see where this closes out. And again, you can see here, where's our overall trends to the downside? And I was thinking, okay, so that was my mistake there. So what I'm going to do is basically look at that overall. There's your candle right there. And I can't get into that right now. Look at that. There it goes. It's going down. That'd have been your trade. My mistake on that one. I should have known that was a more of a, look at this. So we had one going there, right? Came back right to the, right to the T there, right? Right to the pullback. And now this most likely is going to go all the way down to here. Now, can I enter this trade? Well, let's see what happens here. And that's what's with the time-based chart, right? Here's the M&Q again. This is the same one on this one. So let me see here. So if we're looking at this, see, look at this. That's really erratic out of nowhere. And I should have known there was been, again, that was my fault. Look at that. And I know there's no news. In fact, they have Jackson Hole. I think that what's going on. So there is your thing. Same thing here. Look at this. We pulled back, came back down right away. So this is what I'm going to do. We're just going to wait here because most likely I got a loss there. Let me see here. So make this up. 987. Yeah, that'd be good. So again, look at this 987 chart on ES. I think that's the only way we can get back at this. So we develop in that 987. I'll say we'll work on this ETH chart. So as you can see here, we did pull back. We moved to here, came back down, and now depending where this pullback will be. So let's trade the ES here. Better chance of getting back our losses right now. So on my live account, got a loss of maybe 289.50. You know what? I have to put my commissions on there. Was it real nice? So let's see what's going on here. you know, right there, I was already expecting that. What happened was, you know what, I should just put a limit stop rather than a limit because it would not come back. Look at that. That was what I was expecting. I was really trying to catch this trade right here. And, you know, I don't know, just have to be more aware of that. That would have been a good 10 points. That would have been 500 bucks right there. Look at that, 10 points easily. Knock myself in the head from here, but that's okay. There's going to be another opportunities right there. So from there, look at that, right through. This would have been my target right here. 24 points. Can you imagine that? That's over $1,000 trade on one contract. Look at that. The volatility has returned. Let me take out these, because this is, oh, now it just returned back to, is that right? Yeah, well, this is no longer available. So we no longer, this is really a new VWAP the way that came back. Look at that. That'd have been definitely a good trade. That got me back all my losses from the overnight session. What I can say is, well, what can I say? I'm going to go back down here and let's see. Right now, this is a favorite to go. Well, you know what? Look at this. I got to see how this is going to, how they're going to play this. It looks like it's going down. Most likely, let's see where it's going to go down to. You know what? It's moving so fast, I can't really place the trade. And I just have to think ahead. That's all I can do. So let's see.
Order submitted.
Once again, it's going to go up, maybe up to here. We'll see.
Order filled.
It's moving so fast that I can't even adjust my take profit. So, you know, here, let's adjust this one. I have this too much. Where was that? High volatility. There we go. So now we're looking at this, we're looking at more of a region right here. So let's focus on this. This looks like it's going to be going up.
Order submitted.
No, it looks like it's going down. So that's why we can't really base it on that right now.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, with that, you had to really trust the pattern that you get used to seeing, especially with the VWAPs. This I could have got another 10 points, I think, if I stayed within the trade. Easily 10 points. I mean, the market is now flying. As compared to these past 2 weeks, the volatility has returned. So basically, I got back most of my, I'm probably done. Let's see if we can get another trade here. So we're looking at this, we generate here. Again, we started off right here, right? So at 554, let me see here, 544. So we got some losses there, right? I'm sorry, where did we start? Okay, so we started right here at minus 544. Which one? Okay, because I have that other trade on here. What do I, okay. So if I'm doing this, I have my other live account there, which is 289. So if I'm doing the other trade here, let me see here. This is that one. So basically there it is. I made over right here. It was at 661. I'm at 159.66, right? That's on one account. The other account, my live account, is what? Right here at 269. And I'm looking at that, and that's basically 276.70. I'm down right here on my other account. So my other account that I've been trading before, look at that, it's going down. Should have gotten 10 points there. That would have, I'd be in positive right now. So I'm only down 159, which is actually pretty good. And basically I hit what, over $500 just trading this morning session. That's it. So this basically hit my goal in my profit goal. But I know there's a lot of volatility here. I can scalp easily. So let me do that. In fact, I'll be looking at the M&Q as well. Look at this. Look at all this. That's a lot. That's a lot of what going up and down. So basically, just continue going down. You see this? We have. It's hard to read. So that's why sometimes I do the which one? The 69, the M&Q. I have a 1529 on here. 1589 chart, or 1597, I mean, on M&Q. There it is. It's easier to read, right? So we see this coming off the zones. Again, coming off the zones, you can just trade off those zones. So that's what I'm going to do if I'm looking at this. Okay, so I'll use that. And I pretty much done for the day. I made around 500 this morning session. So this is the M&Q. I'll look at that later, because most likely it's going to try to reverse here. And basically here's your ES, which I think I enjoy trading this a lot more. You know, you're trading off on deviation levels here. So based on not only the legacy trade setups, we look at these and we look what's going to go on here. So that's what I'm going to do. Maybe I can do one more trade for you guys. As you can see, I missed that by one tick, that trade right there. That would have been a great trade. That's at least 5 points right there. And I missed it. See, that's why these deviation levels, okay, so I got that right there. That'd have been easy, at least 10 points. Wow. 500. This market is giving away money. Let's wait for another setup. That was another scalp. I made over 700 just in this morning session. So talk to you guys on next week. Again, I think next week will be my last. I'll be switching to a different trade room. Yeah, it's gonna be until the 31st. So Monday and Wednesday for September, it's gonna be a whole new. I don't think I'm gonna be with the go-to webinar. I'll let you guys know what that will be. Okay. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. God bless. Bye bye.